Ken Rogers checking in. Oh man, have I worked up a thirst today. Oh, work, man. Yard work, getting the grass cut up. I am just thirsty. Good friend of mine, Bill Goudy, man, he always gets his vessels of amber fluid. He's thirsty, and I'm the same way. I love my vessel of amber fluid, but you know, mine's a little different. I prefer a little harder amber fluid. Look at that. Oh, would you look at there, man? Oh man, look at that. Oh, we're gonna top our fluid off with a little lemon lime soda. Check that out. I've earned this one today. Oh, can you taste that? That is so good. That's not what we're here to talk about today. That's right. That's not what we're here to talk about. As good as that is. That's right. We're here to talk about Bill Goudy. Yeah, Bill Goudy got 10,000 subs. Can you believe that? That's just a pipe dream for me. Oh man, maybe one day. Maybe one day. Yeah, we got chicken over here. I had to tear out my fire pit in the ground. I just was a 2-year-old running around. I just thought it was unsafe, so maybe another day. But got my little Weber Jumbo Joe over set up with my tripod. Old Bill, he likes to cook over an open fire. Me too. I love it. My favorite way to cook, but I had to think about safety, so we're doing something a little different. Let's check this out. Got a little hickory and some mesquite. Man, oh man, I earned that one. I tell you what. That's right, guys. Bill Goudy's Excellent Adventure Giveaway. 10,000 subscribers. Man, oh man, that is awesome. Guys, I tell you what. Bill, for 10,000 subscribers, he's giving a giveaway. He's got 2 camp-made sets. I want one. Tell you what, some of those other prizes he's got going, he's got some knives, some baits, and whatever. Man, they sound great too. So guys, I'm going to leave a link to Bill Goudy down in the comments, down show more. I'm going to put a link up here to Bill's page. He's got a couple different ways you can win. All you got to do is subscribe to him and go to his website. If you're a YouTuber, you can make a video just like I'm doing right here. You can get on there and you can be eligible too. Now, I want one, save one. He's got 2, you can have one. I want the other one, all right? That's where we're going here. So, oh man, I gotta need another thirst. Oh my God. Got a thirst built up. Oh. Vessel of amber fluid. Kentucky style. Yes, sir. Guys, go check out Bill. Hey, tell him Ken Rogers sent you. Now let's get to cooking here. We're gonna get some chicken on here and got some asparagus. Just Bill Goudy would be proud of this meal, I'm telling you now. Open fire, chicken, seasoned chicken, over an open fire. Got some hickory wood, some mesquite wood mix going on in there. Oh man, this is awesome. Just Lowry's only, guys. Room for the asparagus. I want to thank my good friend Jerry for this tripod grill. Got this for my 50th birthday a few years ago. a couple years ago. Ain't that old now. It is time to get this off of here. Hold still. Would you look at that goodness? Get a slice into this. Look at that, guys. Get a bite of this. Look at that. Nothing like cooking over an open fire. Oh my God. I gotta go in for some of this asparagus. Smoked asparagus. Oh, best Bill Goudy style right there. I'm leaving links to Bill Goudy's YouTube channel. I'm leaving links to Bill Goudy's his webpage, and go check him out. He is a great YouTuber. He's one of the people I go to all the time because I just look forward to his videos. I enjoy him. He's entertaining. So check him out. So until next time, I appreciate everyone playing along. I've done a lot of Bill Goudy memes in this video, and I truly do admire him, and I admire his channel, and he brings a lot to the YouTube world. So folks, go check him out. And if you're in the market for some camp-made products, if you go to Bill Goudy's channel and look at any of his videos, go down the show comments. He's got a link. I'm pretty sure he's got a discount code for campmade.com. I believe it's campmade.com. And you'll get, I believe it's either 10 or 20% discount on it on camp-made products. And it's, I'm looking forward to get some. I got a few that I've used a little bit. I'm looking forward to get the entire set. So whether I buy it or I win it, but it is what it is. God bless you, folks. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And God bless you, folks. Ken Rogers out. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. So, baby, do you think I've overplayed the man on man?
You think?
Bill Goudy, congrats on 10,000 subscribers. God love you, buddy. Ken Rogers out. Really out this time.